Welcome back to Balabas Gist.
My people, no be small thing o. They say that the Yorubas don leave their homes, their villages, run comot because of their friend wey dey welcome wey be Fulani herdsmen and Fulani toro. No be small thing as we dey talk now. Many villages for Yoruba land, Fulani dey visit am. But you are hardly seeing Yoruba boldly coming out on social media to condemn what the Fulani are doing to them because they don't want the Igbos to mock them. Hi, chai. Now, so you go hate your enemy, go dey buy, nobody go know wetin do you. Abeg, Yoruba should speak up for the innocent ones wey dey buy for their villages. We go play the video, may you watch. My people, they say that some one Benin man don come outside though. He say they want their Benin kingdom as they carry the general of Oba, the traditional ruler, go give the Western. Now the Benin man cut chair and he say na lie. He say they go comot for Nigeria, go become Benin kingdom. I go play the video as one of their sister come outside, come change am, give am. My people, one man don declare himself, say he wan be the president of Nigeria coming 2027. Say he's fit. Come talk many things wey he go do for Nigerians. Watch this video, follow this page for more update as it dey happen. And no forget say we dey for YouTube, dey wait for you.
My country people, information. Can you ever believe that this thing you're seeing in this video is Yoruba land? Terrorists, Fulani terrorists are sending Yorubas out from their communities. They will never say it. They are ashamed to announce it because of the atrocity and what they have been pretending and protecting in Nigeria. Many of the villagers has run away. The Fulani terrorists burnt their house and sent them away in Nigeria. All the problem they are having in their life is Igbos. Everything about them is Igbo. Since they were born, only Igbo is there for everybody to stand up and talk against what is really happening in Nigeria. They leave it for only Igbos. Only Igbos are agitating for the freedom of Nigeria. But look at them, running out of their own village, keeping quiet about it because of their sabotage spirit. Go and verify this information. Yoruba people are...
My people, I beg, Edioma don't come outside. He said they want exit from Nigeria, the Benin Kingdom. He said because the federal government of Nigeria don't make Ooni of Ife the traditional ruler of the southern Nigeria. Edioma said na insult to Oba of Benin, na insult to them. He said the Benin Kingdom, them want make them come out for Nigeria. Edioma, wait, I want to tell you, Benin Kingdom, when you talk so, I hope not only the Benin, not be Edo State they talk because Edo State, many ethnic group, like the day Edo State, now they form Edo States. There's some people there, the Benin, the Afema, another ethnic group, now the Fema. I hope not only the Benin, no one come up for Nigeria. Abi, because you not go down well with una said they don't make Ooni of Ife the traditional ruler of the southern Nigeria. I bet make una watch this video, make una use una here wait till the they talk. And if una they go, una go alone, una Edo State go remain. Now no go na cut una self go, but Edo State go remain. I hope you know they refer to the Edo State. You know, I first talk and say na different ethnic group that they form Edo State, and not be as una they claim and say na get Edo State. Oh, I want to make it clear. Oh, not be the whole Edo State. You they say you want to come out for Nigeria now. Now only the Benin speaking part, the Benin Kingdom. Okay, if not so, no problem. When I watch this video, make na hear what it's your talk.
Now we are calling for an exit. We want to exit Nigeria. The Nigeria government has made the Ooni of Ife a herbalist to become the traditional ruler of southern Nigeria. The Nigeria state has made the Ooni of Ife to become the traditional ruler of southern Nigeria, which means Nigeria has been divided into two in terms of tradition. Nigeria has been divided into two by tradition. That northern Nigeria is being led by Sadan of Sokoto as the traditional head of the northern Nigeria. The southern Nigeria, the Ooni of Ife, to lead the traditional ruler in southern Nigeria. Who is Ooni of Ife? Ooni of Ife is a herbalist, a chief priest, watching over a shrine in Ile-Ife in Osun State. He's never a king or a chief or a nogi or whatever. From nowhere, he become now the leader of the traditional ruler in southern Nigeria. What a shame, what a disgrace. So we, the great Benin Kingdom, we are not a part of this. This is the last stroke that break the camel's back. Oni of Ife cannot speak on behalf of the Oba of Benin to the federal government of Nigeria. Oni of Ife doesn't have the capacity to speak on behalf of the Oba of Benin anything related to tradition, because he is never a traditional ruler, where neither is he born a traditional ruler. So please, I'm calling on all Nigerians, all Edolites, to take note of what the federal government of Nigeria have done. That is why I am calling openly that we should exit Nigeria. The insult is too much. Now, the entire Benin Kingdom has now become like a street in Nigeria. We can't take this anymore. Please. So, please, 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 all the bloggers, all the news medias, help us to amplify this news that we want to leave Nigeria. That Monday Okpebolo will be the last governor of Edo State after 8 years. After he will finish his 8 years. Before he finishes 8 years, Benin Kingdom would have exited Nigeria. Tinubu, after his 8 years, before his 8 years is completed, Benin people would have exited Nigeria. So I'm also using this medium to beg all our youth in Benin Kingdom, please do not allow PDP, APC, ADC, Afghan to use you as a political rascality, as a political ruffian to do their bid. No, please. So I'm begging you, there should not be political rascality in Edo State. Because as I'm concerned, we don't need APC, we don't need PDP, we don't need ADC in Edo State. This is the last era of the political activities in Edo State will come to an end. Under Modokpebolo as the last governor of Edo State. Under President Ahmed Tinubu will be the last president to preside over Benin Kingdom. So it is time we begin to create this awareness. Since 1897, look at us. It's been 129 years since we've been under this captivity of the Nigerian state created by the British. The British destroyed our kingdom in 1897. In 1940, amalgamation was made. In 1960, Nigeria was created to take over from Britain. We've been in this agony. 129 years is too much for we to continue this painful journey. It is time we come out of it. It is time we come out of it. Please, my fellow Edolites, both home and abroad, this is something I want you to put into your subconsciousness for we to start talking about it, for we to start enlightening our people that it is time for we to exit Nigeria. Nigeria is not our home. We cannot continue in this bondage. It is time we get out of it. We have what to take. We were a country before 1897. We have an embassy in Portugal. We were the first country to which Brazil happily depended. So we were a country before 1897, before we were invaded by the British. It's time we go back to our monarchy system. It is time we return to our monarchy system. It is time. Because we will be better off in our monarchy system than this so-called democracy that was introduced to us by the British. And the British who introduced it to us, they don't practice it.
Fellow Nigerians, I want to bear my mind to you. I want to run for 2027 presidency. I want to be the president of this great nation. I believe in my heart that I will make a difference. My first focal point is on the populace, the common man. I want to make sure that the common Nigerian lives a convenient life. I want to make sure that the common Nigerian man is able to feed 3 times a day, able to pay the children's school fees, able to travel freely and most conveniently at affordable prices. I want a change where the focal point is on the people of Nigeria, not just on any other thing. Of course, other things will come in quantum, but I'm considering the Nigerian first to be able to move ahead in his life, to be able to own his own house, to be able to live an affordable life. When you consider the least paid or the lowest paid country in Africa, Nigeria is one of them. This not ought to be so. The average Nigerian should be able to earn between the average or the common Nigeria, the lowest paid wages in Nigeria should be between $200 to $300 in a month. Nigeria can sustain everyone in a mighty way. Already the governors are earning hefty money, but many of them cannot show what they are doing. It's not commensurate to what they are receiving. So we want to see how the life can be better for the average Nigerian. Able to eat in the morning, afternoon, evening, able to pay the children's school fees, able to buy clothes, able to make a little saving, and be proud of himself. This is what I want for Nigeria, and this is possible. Just keep your eye on this channel. I will come back again and I will tell you exactly what I am going to do to change the situation and circumstances of Nigerians. I'm not just going to talk words, but I will come out with measurable measures that can be used to measure the progress in the life of Nigerians. So turn to this channel again. I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, and we are on YouTube, we are on Instagram. I want to run for Nigeria president.
My people, now don't hear am as it dey happen. Abeg make you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. E don read. And no forget say see there for Balabas gist. As you dey watch, make sure you share the video so that other people go get the information and know wetin e dey go on. Remember say information na be the key o.